This jungle looks amazing.
I love adventures. The trees are so tall.
Stay close together.
Okay, honey.
Whoa, look at that.
We are going the right way. The jungle was full of life.
They are beautiful. Whose footprints are these?
Maybe a monkey made them.
What was that sound? What was that sound? Look at the monkeys. Wow. They're so funny. Look at that one. They are so funny.
Hey, that's my banana.
That monkey is clever.
The adventure continued.
The water looks beautiful.
Step carefully on the rocks.
Okay, Dad.
That's it, you're doing great.
I don't want to fall. I don't want to fall. Look over there.
Wow, that's amazing, Emma.
Wow, what a beautiful bird.
This picture is perfect. Soon the weather changed. It's raining!
Aha!
It's raining! It's raining! We need shelter fast!
In here, Tom. Hurry!
That thunder is loud. It's getting louder. I'm scared.
Let's stay here for now.
The cave kept them dry.
The rain sounds peaceful now.
Who wants a snack?
Yay!
Here you go.
Thanks, Dad.
And for the hungry little ones.
This adventure is exciting.
The rain finally stopped.
Everything looks shiny.
Let's continue exploring. Wow, look at the waterfall.
The waterfall was beautiful!
This place is magical.
Everyone smile. Say cheese.
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Got it.
I never want to leave.
Nature is amazing.
The adventure was ending.
This was the best adventure ever.
The family made wonderful memories together.